Welcome back, guys. Right now we're heading south to Salinas to pick up a motor for the Model A. I've been on the hunt for a good SBC deal the past couple of days, and today the search paid off. This motor came off a 1972 C10. The owner did an LS swap, so he got no use for the 350. Little lunch break before we get our motor. Say hello. What'd you get, Sydney?
What'd you get?
Cheesy tacos.
Cheesy taco. Mexican shrimp ceviche. And what?
This is a clam chowder bowl.
Clam chowder bowl. All right, here is my motor. Yeah, I love this valve cover, man.
Yeah, they're cool.
The fins, yeah.
Yeah, they're cool, bro. Now everybody was asking me like a whole bunch of questions about it. I'm like, dude, I don't know, bro. All I know it's just a 350 came out of the 72 and that's it, man.
You bought the truck with this in there already?
Yeah, no, I bought it running, bro. I bought this in Oakley.
Oh, wow. All right, just got home. Here is the motor I got. It's a 350 Chevy small block. Came with headers, the carb, fuel pump. Got all this for $550. Facebook Marketplace. All right, yesterday we picked up the motor, and today I found a good deal on a TH350 tranny. Gonna head up to Alameda to pick it up. Let's go. All right, just picked up the transmission for the Model A. This is the TH350. Got it for 100 bucks. I wanted to install it along with the motor. That way I can cut out the firewall. Yeah, gotta love Facebook Marketplace. All right, got the tranny and motor. I'm gonna be bolting it up, and then remove the body, put the motor and tranny in, notch the firewall, put the body back in. All right, it's a new day. Today we're gonna be cleaning the motor and the tranny. Super dirty. Like I said, I got this one for 100 bucks and the motor for 550. So 650 for both, which is a great deal. Most likely I got to rebuild them, but I wanted them now. That way I can put into the car so I can build the tunnel for the tranny. Also cut out the firewall to fit the tranny. So the goal for today is to clean the tranny and the motor and then bolt them together. All right, next we're gonna be mounting the tranny onto the motor. All right, so I'm an idiot, swearing like a pig, trying to put the tranny to the motor. And then I realized that it still has the manual transmission clutch with the pressure plate. That's scary. Shit's heavy as hell. Yeah. All right, here's the current status of the build. I'm not gonna drop the motor and tranny in today. Gonna save it for the next video. As you can see, I mounted the stock headlights so I can have a visual for the front end. For the headlight mounts, I reused the stock parts that came with the car. I just cut and welded what I needed. The grill will have to be chopped 3 to 4 inches. But yeah, car is coming together. I wanted to get all the heavy lifting done before the baby come. In the next video, I'm gonna be taking the body off, install the motor and tranny, cut the firewall, and then put the body back. That's the plan. And here's the current status of the shovel head. Got the brake line installed. This is a Russell brake line. I like the quality. Feels good having front brakes again. I've never had to do this on my shovel, so it stops real nice. I have a new tire on the way and I will be powder coating the wheel black. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.